Welcome to the Reps Anywhere channel. I'm Lauren. Did you know that at Reps Anywhere, we are all for saving our customers money and helping you get the products you love at the prices you love even more. You may know that every month we compare the price of every product against last month's brochure, and we make a huge list of everything that's cheaper to buy right now. We've linked to the current price drop list in the description below. Now, as well as all the savings that you can make by snapping up your favorites when they are on offer, I'm also going to share with you how you can save 15% off your order. If you'd like to know how to get a discount, stay with me a little while longer and I will reveal all. First, let's take a look at November's UK Avon brochure and Christmas gift guide. Now, November's brochure runs from the 1st of November until the 31st of November at midnight, and you'll find a link to the current brochure as well as all the featured products in the description below. By the way, if you are enjoying our videos and you want to be a first to get a look at what's coming in December before the brochure is even available, please be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. Now, for those of you who love to get organized, you'll be pleased to know that a lot of the products in the Christmas brochure have been launched early and they are live exclusively online right now. Here's our pick of the new products for November. First up is the new Platinum Protonol Power Collection. It's £36 but worth £71. This great value set includes a full-size power serum, a lifting eye treatment, and the best-selling Platinum Day and Night Cream, which is ideal for 50+ skin. You'll also get this gorgeous gift bag, which you'll receive with many of the bundles in November's brochure, so you'll be gift ready in no time at all. Now, you can actually check out my review of the serum in a previous video, and I will pop a link on screen for that now. And don't worry, you don't need to wait until November, as this offer is already available online right now. Next, we have the Little Black Dress Lace, Eau de Parfum and Body Lotion, both for £10. With notes of citrus, jasmine and amber, this would make a great gift for anybody who loves the Little Black Dress fragrance range. So with this jumbo 100ml bottle of Little Black Dress Original for just £14. And just a heads up, the 100ml fragrance bottles aren't available all year round and they do often sell out, so get yours while stocks last. The 100ml bottle of Faraway Original is also back for a limited time for £16, but that's not actually what caught my attention. It's the Faraway Body Scrub that jumped out. I'm sure it's been a few years since this was actually available as a body scrub, and you can get it bundled with the Eau de Parfum for only £18. Now we have the Clear Skin Blemish Clearing Pink Clay Mask for just £3.50. It deeply cleanses skin in just 4 minutes. It has powerful complexion clearing ingredients to help reduce the look of blemishes. So let me explain how this works. We've got kaolin and bentonite clay, and these help purify your pores and gently remove oil and sebum, which can lead to breakouts. Oats nourish, soothe and help calm irritated, blemish-prone skin. Salicylic acid will help reduce further blemish breakouts, and glycolic acid will help exfoliate all that dry skin. So to use it, just smooth it all over your cleansed face and let it dry for 4 minutes. Then you can rinse it off and you can use it up to 2 to 3 times a week. This limited edition matte red glamour hairbrush is only £6. The cushioned hairbrush works for most hair types. It's got a gorgeous red design with gold detailing. It's perfect for everyday styling and will brush through knots with ease. No more painful detangling hair for you. Moving on, the next product is the best-selling Planet Spa Pillow Mist. It's been a while since the Pillow Mist has been such good value. You can get 3 of these bottles for just £9. Just spritz this blend of French lavender and chamomile all over your pillow, and these essential oils will help you drift off to sleep. Up next, we have the Avon Care Limited Edition Festive range. This is perfect for replenishing winter skin. This entire collection has avocado oil to keep you moisturized from head to toe, and it's available online now. The hand cream will keep your hands soft and smooth for 24 hours. It's a fast drying formula and it's just £2. The multi-purpose cream is suitable for moisturizing your face, hands and body. It's got avocado oil and vitamin E. It's suitable for dry to extra dry skin, and this tub costs just £3.50. The 48-hour body lotion restores moisture and nourishes your skin. Apply it liberally to dry areas and just reapply when needed. This gorgeous festive bottle is just £3. And the last part of the collection is the lip balm. For instant long-lasting hydration, just sweep it over your lips and you're good to go. This lip balm costs only £1.20. Moving on, we have the seasonal bubble baths. All seasonal scents are $1.50 and come in a 250ml bottle. They're all enriched with natural extracts. To use, just pour 1 to 2 capfuls under warm running water and watch the bubbles appear. The new scents include apple pie, raspberry and cassis, vanilla and fig, and lastly cranberry, orange and cinnamon. These fun festive bubble baths make the perfect stocking stuffer. Next, we have the new metallic burner for just $8.50. Simply add wax melts or any fragrance oil to our metallic burner. I've used Avon's winter spice wax melts. This stunning gold-colored burner allows you to switch up the fragrance quickly depending on your mood, filling your home with inviting aromas. Just add a tea light to the base, sit back and enjoy. Now let me take you through the free gift that you get when you spend £14 on selected makeup. This gift includes Gel Shine Nail Enamel in Red is Red, Glimmer Stick Diamonds Eyeliner in Brown Sugar, Ultra Matte Lipstick Sample in Nude Suede, a Renewal Power Serum Sample and 3 samples of your chosen shades of the Power Stay Foundation. This is a limited edition Christmas gift just for you. Moving on, we have the Buildable Volumizing Brow Gel. This gel is available in 5 shades: blonde, light brown, brunette, dark brown and soft black. Our brow scarer will shape, tint and set your brows to boost them from basic to basically perfect. It's the Buildable Volumizing Brow Gel with a tint that sets to a soft, flexible finish for fuller brows that last all night. It's clump-free, smudge-proof and water-resistant, so it will last all day without any stiffness. It's enriched with caring jojoba oil and apricot oil. So to use it, just sweep this precise microflex brush over your brows to coat every hair with a natural-looking, volume-boosting gel. Let me take you through the gift guide, which is bursting with new products like throws, fragrance gift sets and homeware. Now, we've chosen a few of our favorites to review, so let's start with PJs. And if you're like me, you get a fresh set of PJs every Christmas for Santa coming. The Brochure has lots of new PJs to choose from, including these matching gingerbread family ones that are available now. Prices range from £15 to £22. Next up is the Lipsy foil hat and wrist warmer set for £18. Get cozy with this winter warmer set featuring a faux fur bobble hat and stylish wrist warmers. This set is perfect for cold winter walks. Another gift idea is this Clara Scentable bracelet for just £12. Now, whether you're gifting a loved one or treating yourself, you can make it personal with this Scentable bracelet. Simply spritz your favorite fragrance all over the bead and it will last as long as your day. It's a rock lava bead encased in a pendant, and you can even use any essential oil and enjoy the scent for up to 7 days. It is Anchor Cert approved and comes in this beautiful gift box. Smart or casual, this sensational bracelet, see what I did there? Brings something special to any outfit. These star string lights will brighten up any space and add festive cheer. It's got 10 warm white LED lights and needs 2 AA batteries to work. Just FYI, the batteries aren't included, but these sparkling lights are just £9. This blue tech pen for only £10 is perfect for the tech lover in your life. As well as a pen, this nifty gadget is also a styler, a ruler, a smartphone holder, and even a mini torch and a screen cleaner. Now, whether you're working out directions or doing some impromptu DIY, this multifunctional pen is a really useful piece of kit. Up next is the Ultimate Brush gift set for £25, but it's actually worth £39. It includes the following: an all-over face brush, an angled blush brush, flat foundation brush, eyeshadow brush with smudger, full coverage dome foundation brush, concealer brush, dual-ended angled eyeliner brush, and an eyebrow duo brush. And these all come in a free festive gift bag, making it the perfect gift for any makeup lovers in your family or friend circle. So that's it for all the new products. Now, as promised, at the start of the video, I told you that I'd show you how to get 15% off your orders. It's really simple. You can save 15% on every order simply when you join Avon to buy for yourself or your family. What's more is if that you and your family love Avon products and between you would order about £70 a month, you could actually save yourself 20%. When you open up your account, you'll also have the option to grab this fabulous welcome pack, which is worth over £100 for just £30. It is bursting with 10 of Avon's full-size bestsellers from fragrances, skincare and makeup must-haves. Now, if you want to learn more, just look in the link in the description below. If you also fancy earning a little bit of extra money for Christmas, the good news is that once you've opened up your account, if you share that brochure at work or with your friends and neighbours, everything is already in place for you to earn commission on their orders. Now, there's no pressure to do this, the choice is all yours. And that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button as it really helps the channel out, and also hit subscribe to see December's new launches before they're even released. We've popped a link for all the products that we've mentioned in the comments below, so you can get your Christmas list sorted. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!